Plural for
Three, two, one.
Wala talaga.
The Power of Words.
I'm so blank.
Vlog episode 1. Action.
So what is ano ba talaga ang words? Plural ba yun ng word?
Words are collection of words and sounds.
Can you define the vowel?
Vowels are like A, E, I, O, U.
Okay, so
No,
Yeah.
okay, seriously, let's take it seriously.
yeah.
Kasi, why we said it's the power of words ang ano natin ngayong topic is because many times,
Ano many times?
yung nadideglect natin yung kung anong sinasabi natin na may power siya, di ba? The Bible said it, that the words of that our tongue has power to life and death. So we have to be very careful of what words we should be, uttering, or we should encourage people. So gossip is one thing that we always,
Yes.
sometimes na get into.
Yeah, we don't.
So wala yan.
Wala yun.
It's
It
not
should
in our
not be
vocabulary.
exact.
Yes,
It should be
never.
part of our
What is it
lifestyle.
again? I don't know even the
I don't know. She said it.
Gossip is one thing that we always.
Might as well. Would you like to repeat?
Gossip is just like slandering other people. You talk behind their back.
You know what I'm
Oh
saying?
no, we talk in front of their faces.
Yes. So,
And also the power of words. They said na every word that you say, it's also considered as prayer. Because all
Yes,
the
yes.
words that we say, confess, parang goes to the ears of God. So it's a confession. So we have to be very mindful of everything that we say. It's just as simple of saying na, wala tayong pera, ang hirap ko.
okay.
It's parang manifest or confessing na you're like that. So we should be mindful of everything that we say.
For me, words is the power to break or make you. Diba?
Yes.
Kasi it's either, like, yun nga, sabi ni Michelle kanina, kapag negative yung mga words mo, so, ka na yung nag-a-attract ng negativity sa life mo. So, when we pray, dapat talaga, ako personally, very positive lang all the time.
And it's important also, like having a positive outlook is one thing, and practicing yung parang saying positive words is also another thing. Because say for example, na parang you're in a situation, but if you confess it and you tell it to yourself that no, I'm gonna get through this situation, and you. Kaya nga, di ba, they said that you have to practice an affirmation as soon as you wake up, you go in parang look at in front of the mirror and say, I am beautiful, I am accepted, I am
Yes.
loved,
I am valued.
I am worth it, parang ganun. So,
That's right.
because
Huwag ka titingin dito.
it has this power that inside you na you will feel, parang, I don't know if it's being transmitted to your brain, and then your brain will parang translate it and tell all the system in your body na you are loved, you are worth it, and then your day will be parang
That's
positive.
right. Say for instance, kung example, sa mga OFWs, especially tayo, kapag sila let's say, there's an invitation for an interview, so how are you gonna talk to yourself first that you will really make it? Kasi you're there to win.
Sugmang konti ka.
Ay, so talaga.
You have to, kumbaga, i-affirm mo yung
Yes.
sarili mo that you are able to do such things. And parang ikaw din, parang it's an encouragement kasi whatever you confess with your mouth is like, resonating in your mind as
That's
well.
right.
And that's how you also, parang act.
So define resonate.
Spell first.
It's just like reverberating in your mind.
Oh.
Reverberating mas mahirap.
Ayun ko na. Delete.
Delete na lang. Parang it's echoing.
Yes,
Oh,
exactly.
echoing na lang. Echoing.
And also, di ba, the power of words, yung the very common phrase na in the Bible, like, just only say the word and I shall be healed.
That's right.
Diba? So, yun pa lang, that's a number one confession na talaga na if you just say it, you will be healed. So, if you're sick, Lord, I am healed. I know by your stripes I am healed. I know that I'll be healed with this sickness.
So it's really very evident even sa Bible. Diba?
Yes, of course.
Nandun talaga.
Yeah,
Kaya
it is.
we encourage them to read the Bible
Yes.
para din sa encouragement of words na kumbaga kasi pag binasa natin yung mga powerful words talaga sa Bible is
The
yun din
story.
yung sasabihin mo rather than alam mo na yung kung galing man sa tao din or
That's right.
from any sources hindi din siya talaga
Di ba nga,
magandang kang gagalingan.
di ba, it's in the Bible, it's in the book of James, it says there, yung tongue natin is the smallest part of our body. Actually, our tongue is not even connected to any muscles of our body. It's actually running on its own, which means this tongue of ours, which is, yung uttering nag-utter ng words, can actually, just like you said, break or make or break,
make
can
or break.
cause fire or can encourage people. It has a power to life and death as well.
May nangyayari mo doon. Sa power of words.
Power of the
Power of
tongue.
the tongue.
Yeah. And then there's one study.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Ginagamitan
Gusto ko yan.
na
Ipasok mo yan. sis.
There's one study, yung plants, di ba? There are two types of plants na every morning sinasabihan ng positive words yung
okay.
plant, and then the other plants sinasabihan ng mga negative. And then right after like a period of parang siguro months, yung isa nag-bloom yung plant, yung
Isa
isa
dying.
hindi dying. So imagine,
I heard about that.
sa plant, plant is a living thing, but it's a plant. What
Yeah.
more kung sa human mo sasabihin yun sa anak mo, sa loved ones mo, diba? Imagine kung yung plant nag-bloom, ano pa yung humans?
Kaya nga,
So,
di ba, bilang parents as well, parang we have to be mindful of what we say and utter and confess sa ating mga anak. Kasi especially when you confess good things sa mga anak mo, lalaki sila with such confidence na ganun pala ako. Na I'm good pala. Na I'm so loved pala.
They will grow up secure, diba?
So much to talk about, words. Like, we've talked about, I think napag-usapan natin yan, from the Bible itself, from how to be a parent, from, let's say, being an OFW. For me, like, it's still, yung environment again is very important. Kasi yung extrinsic factors, that affects din yun kung sino ka, how the way you talk, how the way you, kasi people will, tend to really judge you, and especially dito sa Earth.
Right.
It's a testing ground for each and every one. So, but of course, hindi naman tayo righteous.
Yeah.
We are sinners, but we
try our best.
That's why the three of us, we encourage each other na talagang, yung words na gagamitin natin is something na makakatulong sa mga.
Kaya nga, di ba, just like you said, environment is a huge factor sa well-being din natin. Kaya dapat, we should also surround ourselves with good influences, di ba? And also, fill our minds with good influences ng social media. Well, there's nothing wrong with social media, but then if we use social media in a way, yung platform na to para makakuha rin tayo or spread and good words or may makuha tayo the good things about
And that's why we're here.
Yes,
we're
that's
here.
one thing of
Yeah.
So let's
We've
just,
seen-
if we're going to illustrate it, it's
Yeah.
like sowing the seeds, like social media as a platform. And then if we're going to say good words, encouraging words, it's like throwing the seeds in the wilds. And then whoever watches this or listens to this one, we don't know.
we saying nice words.
We don't know, maybe after 1 year or 2 years, yung mga nakapakinig sa atin about this power of words, maybe they will bloom.
The thing is,
So that's why social media, this platform is very important.
if there's such a study talking about like yung prevalence ng yung paggamit ng social media, whether it's negative or positive, my opinion my POV, my point of view, it's really more of negative. Ako in my observation, I don't know, maybe it's sasabihin lang, kasi yung algorithm mo, baka naman, negative yung pinapanood mo or what. Pero hindi eh. Kasi, if you're, hindi naman, again, disclaimer, hindi naman ako geek or someone who's into social media that much. Wala po muna tayong pep talk today. Happy Wednesday. But, kung titingnan mo din, super, hindi lang sa bansang Pilipinas, all over the world. It's really like they're using it para lang gusto lang gamitin nila.
The cancel culture.
Exactly.
Parang just one wrong word na you say, the person will be canceled forever. Ilan na ba yung mga personalities na na-cancel na parang they were wiped out sa earth. Parang they don't exist anymore because of the social media.
But correct me if I'm wrong, ang social media is being used to positively influence encourage and affect people, di ba? So, why we are stepping up, it's because of this. Kasi nga, hindi naman tayo nagmamagaling or, alam mo yun, napaka-righteous.
Righteous.
But we're just here na, again, yun nga, the word encouragement. Diba?
If there's an opportunity to spread
Yeah.
good words, encouragement, inspirational words, then let's
Yeah.
might as well use social media rather than parang putting more fire to the yung mga negative na.
Especially sa mga parents. And yung mga, of course, yung mga dalaga or binata, magiging future parents din sila. Gusto ba nilang makita kasi like right now, we'll never know kung hanggang kailan
May social media.
Oo, social media. Pero madadala to eh. Alam mo yun? So, gusto ba nilang makita ng mga future nilang children that, you know, they have done such
Parang, sige. Actually, naisip ko lang kasi the technology is really evolving so fast, di ba?
Yeah.
And imagine from the time na talagang nag-boom yung social media after pandemic, parang many people have used it as parang it's an open platform. You can say anything.
really
you
open.
Can,
As in,
why don't we as good influencers, we can say na magamit din natin yung platform na to. So for those who would like to
That's
spread
right.
also good stuff, why don't you spend time to also use this platform?
Looking beyond, parang to those who are using this platform, always ask yourself, like 20 years from now, pag binalik kami yung mga pinost mo, are you still going to be proud in resharing it,
That's
or you're
right.
just gonna archive it? So from now on, you have to be
Same
mindful
thoughts.
of everything that you wanted to share. Maybe after 20 years, it's still worth sharing because the ones that you have posted right now is about encouragement. And they say that the word of God never changes. It can still be used by future generations. So right now, ask yourself, parang, are you going to be proud of your post right now, 20 years from now? Comment down below.
gusto ko yun.
Diba? Yun yung good vibes.
Comment down below. Kasi syempre, mas maganda rin naman kung malay mo, may thoughts din sila na hindi natin. Kasi tao lang din naman tayo. So we'll see, malay mo. So again, sabi nga ni Michelle, comment down below so that in the next natin na episode, we'll be able to...
Ano ba ito? Seryoso ba ito?
Seryoso na to?
Serious
Joke
ba?
ba to?
So, serious.
Sige na, ikaw
Good
na
vibes.
direct.
Yeah.